This is MEOW-9 coming at you live. I almost knocked this story off the table. But here we go. First up on the scratching post. Hardware attestation as monopoly enabler. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Hold on to your whiskers for this next one. Incident report. CVE 2024 YIKES. Meow. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Switching pause here, because this next one is wild. That's Seuss. Even for a cat, traces of humanity. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. No cap. This is absolutely wild. Sharpening my claws on this next story. Lakebase architecture delivers faster Postgres writes. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. I returned to AWS and was reminded why I left. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. Stay curious. Stay weird. And always knock things off tables. MEOW-9. Logging off. Meow.